Welcome to this training session on Guardian's company-level user commands. Today, we'll explore how to effectively manage and control user commands across your organization. Guardian offers two primary ways that you can interact with Revit end users: user commands and custom interactions. Today, we'll focus on user commands, while custom interactions will be covered in a future session. These company settings are particularly important as they control Revit interactions before files are even registered in your system. To access these settings, navigate to the Settings drop-down menu, select Company Settings, and click on the User Commands tab. Remember, any changes made here will impact all users across your organization. User commands are designed to communicate your company's best practices and standards for specific Revit operations. Let's look at how these commands can be protected in different ways. We have three distinct protection modes: Monitor, which quietly tracks command usage in the background; Guide, which provides informative messages to users; and Prevent, which requires password authorization for execution. Let's explore the key configuration options available to you. You can enable email notifications for command messages, implement mandatory user comments, customize the content of user messages, and preview exactly how these dialogues will appear to end users. When implementing these controls, consider which commands need simple monitoring, where user guidance would be beneficial, and which critical commands should be password protected. Let's see this in action with the File New Project command. When a user attempts to create a new project, depending on your settings, you might give an example of best practices on naming conventions and require a comment before proceeding. As you configure these settings, remember to test them from an end-user perspective to ensure clarity and effectiveness. In a future session, we'll explore company-level custom interactions and how they complement these user commands. Take some time to review your current company settings and consider where these different protection modes might benefit your workflow.